in Swarm Kitchen. Today we shall make some insanely delicious, quick and easy breakfast is egg bread sandwich. This sandwich can be ready in 5 minutes. Well, all you need are 1 cup of carrot, 1 cup of capsicum and 1 cup of onions, 2-3 chopped chilies and some pepper, some salt and raw milk and some slices of bread and some turmeric powder and eggs. Let's get started. Take a pan and add 2-3 spoons of oil. Now add onions into it and capsicum and some chopped chilies. Now fry it for a while. Now add carrot into it. Now add some salt. Now add some turmeric powder. Add some pepper depending on your taste. Now fry it for a while. That's it. Keep aside. Now take a bowl and add egg and salt and pepper and some boiled milk. Now beat it for a while. Now take a tawa and add oil. Now dip the bread slices into the egg mixture and toast it for a while. Toast both sides and add some oil into it. Now stuff the vegetables into it. That's it. Very simple. Our egg bread sandwich is ready. Now just serve it hot. Well, I hope all you liked it. Please hit the like button and share your comments and subscribe if you are not yet. Thank you.